has been nice to see our customers because after a long period of 3 years we couldn't see most of them, so it has been a good experience, mostly from European customers that we could meet here. Unfortunately, still we missed some other big customers from abroad, but we hope that soon we will be able to meet them. We are just launching here 3 new products actually. One is a product that helps to clean the air. It's a kind of product that purifies the air. It's based on a patented technology. It's called Perapret Air, and it can be applied on any kind of textiles. The beauty of the product is that it is activated with artificial and natural light, and it can be applied on any kind of textiles. Apart of this product, we are also launching a new PFC-free repellent product, and this is a soil repellent product. As you may know, the standard PFC-free repellent products have repellency for water. So here we help also to have or to provide repellency for soils such as sauces like ketchup, mustard or so on, and it has a really very good performance. And the latest products we are launching here in Tech Textile 2022 is odor management product. It's called OX20. This is developed by our partner Sanitize, and it's based on a passive technology that is biocide free. Well, in Archroma we have been always driven by sustainability, so in this sense the pandemic has not changed our vision to work to be able to have or to support the industry with more sustainable products and solutions. But obviously the hygiene has been a necessity during this period, and we took that opportunity to focus some of our projects on the possibility to offer new and better hygienic solutions in the market. Archroma is always driven by sustainability, and all the products we launch have a more sustainable angle in the market, and we aim to be able to provide a positive impact with the launch of these products. So all the products we just mentioned have a more sustainable approach, and this is what is driving Archroma.
The non-contact spray technology is basically getting more into an interest where you have, for example, product combinations that would not work easily in a single bath, pet impregnation as it was usual. So this is an area, for example, where combinations of antimicrobials with repellent technologies could be options to combine classical process but enhance the process stability and safety by doing a complementary spray approach. Another area where the spray application technology is really of an interest is where the functionality initially by a pet is not necessarily needed on the face of the fabric and at the same time on the back. So if you have a protective fabric, you don't want to have it repellent inside, it needs to be repellent outside. And this is where the single-site spray offers really a benefit to save costs, make a product more efficient, but also make it more safe, because some of the chemicals that you need for protective functions are often in a concern in direct skin contact. So this is an area where customers of ours, together with Baldwin and us, are investigating the ways and means how to make their products safer. Baldwin cooperation, nevertheless, it kicked off specifically for repellents, but nowadays we are also looking into even other classical finishes, resin finishes, for example, for making fabrics easy to iron. We look into anti-mosquito finishes. There are combination elements where you could even dye or do standard softener applications, which are normally very water invasive, and you minimize the amount of water and energy needed for the processing. So I think there is a much larger area that could be covered with spray technology as so far was ever discussed. It is difficult to predict the exact amount of water savings for each and every fabric, because the absorbency of the fabric, the construction has an impact, and at the end also, let's say, the effective concentration that you would have in a classical PET compared to a spray unit. The largest benefit that I see is if you have classical PET processing. A classical impregnation PET trough is somewhere 100 to 250 liter. So with the changeovers from one bath to the other, you lose a lot of water and chemicals. The major benefit of the spray system is that the liquor supply is much smaller. So this is where the water saving, from my point of view, basically comes from.